So let's look at this question. If x is a real number such that log 5 to the base 3 is equal to log 2 plus x to the base 5, then which of the following is true? We have to figure out what is the range of x. Now there is a fact known that log a to the base a is 1 and log a square to the base a is 2, right? Using this fact, we can create a range for this value. So log 3 is 1, log 3 to the base 3 is 1, log 9 to the base 3 is 2. So in between these two will somewhere lie log 5 to the base 3. We don't know this value yet, but as far as we are concerned for this question, now we have a inequality range for left hand side of the equation, right? Now the task is simple. We just have to replace LHS with RHS. Now 1 is less than 2 plus x to the base 5 and 2 is greater than log 2 plus x to the base 5. Let's solve this. So this equation can be easily manipulated into 5 raised to 1 less than 2 plus x, and this can be said 5 square greater than 2 plus x. We get 3 less than x, and we here get 25 minus 2 greater than x. We get 23 greater than x. So we simply got a range for x in which 3 is less than x and x is less than 23. Now at this point you might be tempted to select this option, but what I want you to focus your attention on is to check all the ranges if there are multiple options that fit into this range. If they fit, then we have to check again and get a more specific range. Okay, for as of now, let's check. If there is something else need to do, we'll do that, but let's first check. So here it's 0 and 3, but x is greater than 3, so a cannot be the option. X is less than 3, here x is between 23 and 30, this is also not the option. X is greater than 30, which is not possible as x is less than 23, so this is also not the option. Hence D is the correct answer. I just want you to understand that if there is a question in exam in which there are two ranges that are satisfying, then we have to focus on the fact that I'll just remove these calculations. If we look at log 3 to the base 3 and log 9 to the base 3, which is 2 and 1, log 5 to the base 3 is nearer to 1 than it is to 2. And on that basis, you can actually get a narrower estimate. It will be an estimate only, it will not be an exact value, but we can get a narrower estimate than this. Okay, that's all for this question. I'll see you in the next one.